Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson, social movement. So today we have to know about the Narmada agitation, or it is also known as Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Okay, yes, this is also one of the environmental movement. Narmada Bachao Andolan was started by great environmentalist Medha Patkar. Okay, Medha Patkar, being a lady, she started one movement, environmental movement. That is the great thing and appreciable thing also. Medha Patkar started the Narmada Bachao Andolan movement against the construction of dam across the Narmada river, where the Narmada river is flowing. It's flowing in a Gujarat district. Okay, there will be the one lake that is called as the Sardar Sarovar. Okay, that is called as Sardar Sarovar. Here only Modi has planned on the bank of this Sarovar only, Sardar Sarovar only, Modi has planned to build the very highest iron pillar of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So still it is constructing actually. That is the world's highest iron pillar. Okay, world's highest iron pillar, where it is in Gujarat. On the bank of the Sardar Sarovar. Okay, so against that only Sardar Sarovar, the dam has constructed in the Sardar Sarovar, where against the across the Narmada river. So under that for that the Medha Patkar protested or started the Narmada Bachao Andolan. So what is the reason why she has started? If the dam has constructed, if the one dam want to construct it, what the environment or forest area is there around the Narmada river that want to be cut down. To protect that environment, Medha Patkar has started the Narmada Bachao Andolan. I will repeat again. Narmada Bachao Andolan was started by the Medha Patkar against the construction of dam across the Narmada river under the Sardar Sarovar project. Why she has started? One thing is to stop the large scale destruction of forest. Destruction in the sense nasha agodu. To stop the large scale destruction of forest and also to protect the. So if the forest destruction has started, the environment will be protected. Many of the forest animals or the forest birds, they will be protected, and also to maintain the ecological balance, environmental balance will be balanced. Okay, for that reason Narmada Bachao Andolan has started. Keep in mind. Okay, that is about the Narmada Bachao Andolan. The next movement is Silent Valley movement. The next movement is Silent Valley movement. Silent Valley movement. Yes, this Silent Valley movement was started by the peoples from Kerala Sahitya Parishad. How Karnataka Sahitya Parishad is there, KASAPA, shortly known as KASAPA. In the same way, Kerala Sahitya Parishad is also there in Kerala to protect the Malayalam language. So here Karnataka Sahitya Parishad worked to protect the Karnataka language, or Kannada language. In the same way, Kerala Sahitya Parishad worked to protect the Malayalam language, because Malayalam is the mother tongue of the Keralians, right? So Kerala Sahitya Parishad. Okay, Silent Valley movement was started by the peoples of Kerala Sahitya Parishad. The same reason, to against the construction of dam in the Silent Valley. Okay, Silent Valley. In the Silent Valley, where it is Silent Valley, the Palghat of Kerala. Okay, Palghat is one of the place in Kerala, famous place it is Palghat, and tourist centers also. So in the Palghat of Kerala, where it is also in Kerala. So the dam has constructed against the construction of a dam. Silent Valley movement has started from the Kerala Sahitya Parishad people. Okay, Kerala Sahitya Parishad people. Yes, they also, the one thing is to stop they have started this movement to stop the destruction of forest and also the maintain the ecological balance. Okay, Silent Valley movement is also started to stop the destruction of forest and maintain the ecological balance. So this is about the Silent Valley movement. So next is about the coastal Karnataka environmental movement. Coastal Karnataka in the sense nothing but Karavali. I think you know about that. Coastal Karnataka, nothing but which region? Karavali region. Coastal Karnataka environmental movement. Environment or environment, anyhow we can pronounce movement. Environment movement. Yes. This coastal Karnataka environment movement was started by the people of Mangaluru people. Keep in mind, because Mangaluru that is the region of that is the one of the place of coastal Karnataka. Mangaluru people. Okay, coastal Karnataka environmental movement started by the Mangaluru people or the Mangalurians. Why? Against the construction of the Mangaluru refineries and petrochemical limited. Mangaluru refineries in the sense extraction of oil. Okay, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಘಟಕ refineries and also the petrochemical limited, extraction of petrol from petroleum. Okay, refineries and petrochemical limited short form LTD. Okay, so coastal Karnataka environmental movement started by the Mangalurians or the Mangalore people against the construction of the oil refineries and the petrochemical limited. Okay, why they have started? Because if the government has started the oil refineries or the petrochemical limited, so the waste what has produced while refining oil or while extraction of petrol, okay, by that time the waste what has produced, they has to allow those wastes to the sea near, because it is the coastal region in the sense nearby the sea only. Yes, they has to allow the waste to the sea to protect the sea from the waste. Okay, to protect the fish sea from the harmful chemicals. Okay, they have started, Mangalore people started the coastal Karnataka environmental movement. Okay, so where they have started and also they has protested against the establishment of the Nandikonda thermal power plant in Mangaluru. Okay, there will be the two reasons. One is against the establishment of the oil refineries and the petrochemical limited, and the next thing is Nandikonda thermal power plant. Nandikonda thermal power plant. By this Nandikonda thermal power plant, they has planned to prepare the electric current by the thermal energy. Okay, so they have started to, against these two establishment, the Mangaluru people started the coastal Karnataka environmental movement. Okay, once again I'll recall you, the coastal Karnataka environmental movement started by the Mangaluru people against the construction of the oil refineries and the petrochemical limited nearby the Mangaluru, and also against the construction of Nandikonda thermal power plant nearby the Mangaluru. Okay, so why they have started? To protect the sea from the discharging harmful chemicals to the sea, to protect the sea from the discharging harmful chemical, okay, into the sea. The people started this movement. Which movement? Coastal Karnataka environmental movement. Hope you will understand. So the next week we will have to discuss about the next day we have to discuss about the Kaiga agitation and the women's movement also there. So till that you have to keep learning. Hope you will understand better. Thank you.